Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to do a hard factory reset on a NAVI SE Kids tablet. In case you're having any issues with it, you might have forgotten a password or something like that and not have access to it. Or it might just be frozen or not responding. Now a hard reset is going to remove any passwords or anything like that. It's going to restore it to it the way it was when it came out of the box. So everything will be deleted off it. But if you want to go ahead and do that, we can go ahead and do that. It's not that hard to do. First thing you need to do is just power it off. And once it's turned off, what you're going to do is you're going to come in here and you're going to press and hold, as shown here, the volume up and the power buttons, and just continue to hold them until it enters the recovery mode. Now, once it enters, until it boots up like this. Once it boots up like this, you'll see you're going to scroll through. You're going to use the volume up and down buttons to scroll through to the recovery mode, and then you'll press the volume down button to select it. Then from there, from the Android screen, you're going to press the power button first and then the volume up button and hold it down for 5 seconds. And that should give you to a screen like this, in which case you will release the buttons and the recovery menu will appear. Once the recovery menu appears, then you can scroll down to the wipe data factory reset and press the power button to select it. Once you do that, then you will just use the volume button to scroll down to yes, delete all user data, and again press the power button to select it, and then the wipe will be complete. Then you can just select reboot the system now, and it will start back up like it was when it came out of the box.